for these review problems. This should take you back to that basketball project that we had. We need to put these numbers in ascending order. What does ascending mean again? Least to greatest. Least to greatest. So first we need to go through and figure out what are all these numbers in decimal form so that we can compare them. So first, 4/7. What do I have to do to a fraction to turn it into a decimal? I've got to divide. Top dog gets the house. So what number goes inside? 4 goes inside, 7 goes outside. Does 7 go into 4? Or like Mr. Malig says, if I wear a size 7 pants, can I fit into a size 4 pants? No, that's too small. So we need to add our decimal. 7 does not go into 4. Add decimals and zeros. Does 7 go into 4D? Yeah, it does. How many times does 7 go into 4D? 5. 7 times 5 is 35. And subtract. Does 7 go into 50? Really close. It goes in 7 times to get 49. Subtract. When you divide and you have 7 in your denominator, when you're going to have 7 on the outside, it's going to be a really ugly decimal. So we're going to be okay with this 0.57 for now. For now, we're going to be okay with this first number being 0.57. Then we have 45%. How do I turn 45% into a decimal? Move it to the left, So that becomes 0.45. Then we've got 2/3, another fraction. What do I have to do? Divide it out. Top dog gets the house. Hopefully this is one of those decimals that we have memorized. This is a benchmark fraction that we see a lot. If I were a size 3, can I squeeze into a size 2 pant? Nope. Put your 0, decimals, and another 0. 9 times 3 go into 20. 6. We should get 18. And no, we see we've got 20 again because this repeats. 2/3 is 0.666666666666. We're just going to stop at 0.66 for this activity today because we don't need any more than that. Then our last one, 0.8. It's already in order for us. One of my students said, to help me see these numbers easier, can I put a 0 after the 8? Yeah. You're not changing the value of the number if you put the 0 at the end, so you can put it there to help you see things easier. Now everything's 2 digits after the decimal, so it'll make it a little easier for us to see these in least to greatest order. So the least number over here, which one's the smallest? What's the smallest here? 0.45 is the smallest, so that means it should be first. Here it's first. Here it's first. It's not first on C, so that's not right. It's not first on D, so that's not right. So now I've got it narrowed down to these 2 options. So after 0.45, what's my next biggest number? What's my next smallest number, let me see. 0.57. But we don't have 0.57 up there. Which one of those was 0.57? 4/7. So that means 4/7 should be in second place. There it is. But here it is not. So that means my answer here should be A. Make sure you're reading carefully for ascending and descending, increasing, decreasing order.